Hello and welcome. This is the first section of your course. It's a cluster of 4 units that you'll be completing. I'm Joanne Law, Director of Studies for Mediation Institute, and you're going to be getting to know me quite well as you progress through your course. The agenda for this little presentation is a bit of an overview of the course, how to get started, a little bit about what you'll be learning, the assessment, and where to get help. It's a 4-unit cluster, so it's made up of the family law requirements and the 3 specific units of relating to FDR. And this cluster is kind of the base for the course. It includes the work placement requirements. If you're doing the core units only, there's going to be 2 additional units which will be added in as you progress through the course. If you're doing the full qualification, there's another 4 units beyond that, and they're delivered in 3 course elements. So this is the learning journey. So you'll start off with some reading and some exercises. You'll be doing some observations and participating in role plays as a party. Then you'll move on to facilitating the process in role plays. You'll do 1 or more, as many as you need to, until you can be assessed as competent, and then you'll be moving on to the work placement and working with clients. So that's the general overview of how the course will progress. The course is set out a bit like a book, so it's got modules, which would be the chapters, and then each module has a number of pages and the assessment activities interspersed within them. The learning and assessment activities build over the course, so they start at theory and observation and all the way through to work placement. There are also activities outside of the course. If you're not yet a mediator, we strongly encourage you to participate in the national accreditation role plays. 1, to get enough role plays to apply for accreditation, and also to learn the basic skills that are underneath the skills of an FDR practitioner. And of course, help is available at all times. We take a very individual approach to support. So if you have any questions, concerns, issues, contact either myself, Joanne Law, or Ken, and we'll be able to help you. Okay, so let's go over and have a quick look at around of the course. Here's the home page. On the home page, we've put several links to make it easier for you to navigate around, but you'll notice that there's a menu on the a middle menu, so just some words on the white background. Those are links that you can also use to navigate through the course. The mentoring calendar is a calendar we're using to manage role plays in this course. There's also a link through to the role play scheduler, which is used for role plays in our national accreditation course. We'll be using a simulated client relationship management tool in the course, and there's a link through to that, and also to the Mediation Institute course for our members. You've got free student membership with Mediation Institute for the duration of your training. And if you are doing your work placement with Interact support, there's a link through to there. So as I mentioned before, the modules is the course laid out in sequence like a book. So chapters are these headings, and then the pages that sequence through. Once you've completed a module, you can click on that little arrowhead and collapse the module. That way it's easier to keep track of what you've completed. You can see there's projects and activities that are scattered through the course, and we'll just jump in and have a look at one of them. Basically, they tell you what the purpose of the task is and what to do. Often there's going to be a template that you need to download, complete, and then click on Submit the Assignment to upload. When you need to come back, you just click on the Assignments link. So you don't have to just stop all progress when you come to an assignment. Sometimes you'll be able to do them straight away. Sometimes you might need to reflect or go on further through the course. So you'll see here that the assignments are organised into different types of activities in the different modules. Or rather units. So we've got one cluster that relates to the family law unit, and then the 3 units that are FDR are linked together because they really are an overlap of skills. There's tools used for the work placement and other aspects. So we've got also discussions. Now, if you want to see how you're progressing in the course, the marks will show you when you've submitted and the scores that you've achieved for different aspects. So remember, this is part of your qualification, 4 units of the 10 or the 6 if you're doing just the core units. So there'll be another course very similar to this that will open up once you've got going with this one. And as I said again, there's links here to the mentoring calendar and the CRM simulation. So they go to the same place as the links on the homepage. So you'll often find that there's various ways to get to the same place in the course. Okay, well look, the best thing now is for you to get started and have a little bit of a play around. There's going to be plenty of opportunities for you to get in touch with the training team. We're always here available for support and mentoring. And the other thing you'll be instructed to do is update your profile settings and notifications. So this is really important. When you come to the task asking you to do that, please do. And that will help you to get information as we release it for you. Okay, well that's all from here. I look forward to seeing you soon.